Okay, I'm pretty sure that this is the tornado that's about to pass through. I can hear it coming. I'm so fucking scared right now. I'm gonna be sick to my stomach. Oh my god. I don't have my boys with me. I'm all alone down here in my shelter. It's so old, I don't know if it's gonna hold up. It's so fucking scary, guys. All I can hope is that it passes over my house, that it's not that bad. I can't get a news feed. I can't get anybody to answer the phone. I don't know how close it is to my house. All I can hear is just the sirens and police sirens and warnings telling me that a tornado is coming. It's so horrible. I'm lost right now. I'm so worried for my boys. Here comes rain. Oh my God, please let me be okay. 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 The shelter is so old, I don't know if it's gonna hold up. God, please. Please just let me be okay. Oh my God. I am fucking scared to death. I have never felt my heart race this fast. I can't even breathe. Oh, I may die from a heart attack before I die of a tornado. And it's dark. Oh God, it's dark. Oh shit. Oh my fucking God, I can see debris. Oh my God. Where is this? Oh, I hope there's no, I'll take spider bites right now, fuck it.